Hi there, in this course I'll teach you how to use Adobe Photoshop. You're gonna learn all the tools that Photoshop has to offer, and we design a website on Photoshop. After that, I'll teach you how to use Adobe's Fireworks. You can use this program to design any kind of web graphics that you can think about. After that, I'll teach you how to code HTML5 markup. After that, I'll teach you how to write CSS style sheet codes to apply style on your barebone HTML5 markup. After that, I'll show you how to operate WordPress and all the functionalities that WordPress has to offer, and how to install it on your hosting server, and how to adjust your setting and all that kind of stuff. After that, we're gonna go back to our code editor and we're gonna convert our HTML and CSS markup into fully functional WordPress theme. And after that, we're gonna develop this beautiful production site called virtualtechnologies.com. Now let me introduce some of the cool functionalities that I have incorporated in this website. As you can see that we have a beautiful logo, we have navigation on the top right side, beautiful H1 explaining the things and the services that we offer from this website. We've got a call to action button which enables our visitor to communicate with us. And we got 3 pages. We got blog. Let's see how it looks. You're gonna learn how to design this blog page. Beautiful. And there is a sidebar, custom designed, of course. You're gonna learn that as well. And you will see that there's a read more button. You click it, you get the full blog post with a full-fledged image. All right, let's go back to our home page and see what else is there for us to explore. We got a contact us page. Let's click and see how it looks. As you can see that it looks beautiful. It has animation. It has what do you call it? Parallax background. Let's go back. All right. As we scroll down, you see that our animation kicked in, and it has a parallax background, and we have listed all the services, our specialization services that we offer from this website. As we scroll down, we have our packages, we've got our portfolio section. Let's go back up a bit, and when you see this button, when you click it, it will bring you back to the contact us page so that our visitor can order the packages that we offered and the services that we offer from this site. Let's go back to the home page, and we're gonna learn how to create our portfolio. This is actually a custom post type. We're gonna learn how to create custom post loop when we start developing and exploring WordPress programming. And we're gonna learn about creating about us section, contact us page, footer, and everything. So this site is a business site. It is production ready, and you're gonna learn all about it. And you see that it has a beautiful slider, and you can have unlimited images, and you can customize it the way you want. And it is mobile responsive. And I'll show you just a second. As you can see that as you increase or decrease your browser width, it's gonna adjust its the text size, positioning, margin, padding, everything based on the viewport height and width of the device. So we're gonna shrink it down, shrinking it down, shrinking it down. You see that they're changing their size and margins and paddings and everything. You see that? So it's fully mobile responsive. So that's it for now. We're gonna start coding and learning so that we can become production ready. So let's get started.